Bonjour, beautiful people. Today is a special day. This week is a special week. I'm going to eat my first animal products for the first time in a year and a half. Disclaimer to those who have been following me for my plant-based content. If you are triggered by animal products on a plate, this video is not for you, unfortunately. I already introduced eggs in the last few months, but this week I will have actual sardines and beef steak for the first time in a year and a half. I feel a little bit anxious. I have been postponing this moment for 2 weeks now, but I really want to give it a try to see if my biomarkers will improve, such as my ferritin. I'm aiming for optimal levels, but above all, I want to see if this addition to my diet, along with other lifestyle changes, will help me feel my best physically and mentally. So it's decided this week is going to be it. I started simple with the sardines. Seems like a more accessible step. I love sardines. I know it's not for everyone. So I went to the supermarket and realized that the choice is actually very limited. Only one option of sardines. I wanted something with either water or olive oil. And look at the price. What the I just realized how expensive it is. I completely forgot about that. And at this specific moment, I also wished I was in France. We have so many more options than in Germany when it comes to sardines. J'adore les sardines. Il y en a plein ici. Sardines, Provence, huile d'olive. That's amazing, Benny. Like, so amazing. There's so many sardines. It's so cheap. Some people go to France to buy Chanel bags. I buy sardines. Okay? In the comments, for those of you living abroad, what's one food that always finds a place in your suitcase when you head back to where you currently live? I also wanted to check an organic shop to see if they had more options, and actually not really. It's also the same price. I also learned that organic doesn't really apply to sardines since they are wild caught. That said, having them stored in glass would be better because of potential microplastic leaking, but I don't have that option here. These ones are at least in olive oil, and I also bought some mussels. They looked interesting. Then I went home to make the plate and eat. I have salad, fermented beetroot for probiotics, steamed potatoes for my carbs, pepper and broccoli for my vitamin C and absorption, a dressing made with lion's mane for prebiotics, then the star of the show, the sardines in the middle. Okay, so this is my plate. Very proud of it. Time to try. I was so stressed. Let's eat my first fish after. This is beetroot, it's not blood. Okay, let's go. It's like I never stopped eating this. Why am I scared? Come on! Why was I scared? Oh la la! Bon appétit! I guess I was worried that I wouldn't like it or that my body would react negatively to it. Yeah, none of that happened. None of that happened. I felt nourished. I felt satisfied. I felt good. I enjoyed my plate. I was so happy. I passed the first level successfully. Yes. Thank you. Next day, the final boss, red meat. I was anxious. So yes, I went to Bio Company as recommended by my ND. It's an organic store that we have here in Germany. And here they were. Oh my God. Wow, I didn't know what to choose. I was a bit overwhelmed. So I just went with entrecôte. I paid about 100, not 100. I paid 11 euros for this. I had meat in my basket. Oh my god. I also bought the bone broth my Andy recommended for my gut, hair, and skin health in general. We are home now. It's time to cook it. I'm not going to try to be original. The plate is like yesterday's, but with the steak instead of sardines. That's it. I had to check for a quick tutorial though because I really didn't know how to do it. I forgot, okay? It's been a long time, especially on stainless steel. I made several videos on cooking on stainless steel without the food sticking. I have a method that worked for crepes, omelette, tofu, and now steak without the line and frost effect. You know, the water droplet trick? Yeah, you don't need that. You don't. First, make sure the steak is at room temperature, otherwise it will stick to stainless steel. Then pat it to remove excess liquid. Then season. I went very simple with salt and pepper on both sides. I really didn't want to go wild here. And I prepped the pan the way I always do. And it was time. I dropped it on the pan. Try to not touch it. I was scared to touch it. And after a few seconds, the smell, it smells so good. I loved it. I couldn't wait. Yesterday, I was so stressed about the sardines, but today, I just couldn't wait to try the steak. It smells so good. Usually, I have them well done, but I try to not go there this time. And voila, super quick. Making my plate. I have to say, it's much quicker to eat this way as well. On plant-based, there is often a lot of prep required. And time to taste it. Guys, this is beetroot. Let's start with a small piece. I want this one first. Wow. I miss this. I'm back. Whew, that was nice. First bite, very good. I just felt like my body was telling me thank you, and my ancestors too. I did it, yes. My Andy told me to make it a treat of the week. I can't wait for next week's steak. Yes. Delicious. In the comments, let me know. There is always room for improvement, right? And I'm generally open to constructive feedback. What will you add or change to level up these plates? Thank you. Keep pushing towards optimal. Bisous, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!